In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Tangent Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any crypto asset that you have on Coinbase or any other exchange or wallet to a Tangent. So to start, you will have to go to your wallet or exchange of choice. So in this video, Coinbase. You can either use the send option on the home screen and then choose an asset, or go to the page of a specific asset, such as Bitcoin, for example, and then you will also find the send option. So just locate the send button. When you tap on this option, you will be able to start this process. The first thing that you will have to do is include the amount that you want to transfer in your local currency, such as US dollars, or include the amount in Bitcoin or the asset that you are transferring over. They are going to automatically convert the value for you. You will see how much you have available in your wallet here, and after you input the amount, you will be able to proceed. Now, the next thing is the most important one. This is going to be the address that you will be sending the Bitcoin to. This is the address that you acquire from your Tangent wallet. So all that you have to do is input it here. If you don't have the address, all that you have to do is open the Tangent app and then choose a specific asset. When you choose any asset that you see available on the app, you will be able to select the receive option. So choose receive under a specific asset, and you will now see the QR code that you can send assets into, or you can copy the address here. I recommend that you just copy this address instead of using the QR code. So once you copy the wallet address, you can paste it here. Immediately upon pasting the address, you will be able to review everything, check for any included fees, and proceed. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was set up properly, and if it goes through, you can send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to send crypto from Coinbase to Tangent Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.